Good morning, students. Today we are starting our exercise 4.5 and we have to construct a quadrilateral deer where the measurements are given, three sides and two angles are given, five measurements are given. Now see, angle E and A are given. So we will take EA on the base. EA. First we will draw rough. E is 60 degree acute angle, A 90 degree straight line, and this is 5 centimeter, this is 90 degree, and this 60 degree. Now AR we have to cut 4.5 centimeter and ED 4 centimeter. ED and R. So when you will join, you will get your quadrilateral. Now we will do the construction with exact measurements. Now see, first of all, whenever two angles are given, see on whichsoever line segment it is given, try to draw that in base. Is it clear? It becomes easy for us to construct. EA 5 centimeter. Is it clear? Name it EA and this is 5 centimeter. Now on E we have to construct an angle of 60 degree. Take it. Our first arc is of 60 degree. So here we get, and passing through it we will get a line. This is 60 degree. Keep on writing the measurements side by side. On A we have to construct an angle of 90 degree. This 120, and from 120 cut it. You will get, wherever they will intersect, we will get an angle of 90 degree. Is it clear? And now taking compass 4.5 from this and 4, taking radius 4 centimeter, we will cut from E. When we will join it, this we will get point R. This is D, this is 4 centimeter and this is 4.5 centimeter. So we get that DEAR is required quadrilateral and this is 90 degrees. So here is our construction. Clear? Now question number second is, you have to construct a quadrilateral. Name is true, TRUE. Now angle RU. So I will take RU in base, RU 3 centimeter, angle R 75 degree and angle U 120 obtuse है, 90 से बड़ा, ये 90 से छोटा, तो 90 सीधा होता है, इससे हमने कम बनाया. Rough maybe try to draw somewhat same position. Now UE, when you will cut this 4 centimeter, you will get point E here, and from R when you will cut 3.5 centimeter, you will get here T, and you will join these two. You will get the required quadrilateral. So now we will start constructing on exact measurements. Now first of all, RU 3 centimeter. Okay, so I take it RU 3 centimeter, and from R 75 15 के टेबल में आता है. Yes, so we will construct it using compass. ठीक है, जो एंगल्स 15 के टेबल में आते हैं वो हमेशा कंपास से ही कंस्ट्रक्ट करने हैं. otherwise you can use D. Now you know 90 degree. ये जो एंगल हमें कंस्ट्रक्ट नहीं चाहिए और हमें बनाना पड़ता है उसको हम डॉटेड लाइन से, वी विल शो इट विद डॉटेड लाइंस. इज इट क्लियर? सी हाउ आई एम मेकिंग. ये 90 डिग्री, this is 90 degree, but I don't want 90, so I am using dotted line. Clear? Now this is 90, this is 60. 60 और 90 के बीच में 75 है, तो हम क्या करेंगे, from 60 and from 90 I will draw wherever these two arcs will intersect. 60 और 90 के बीच में we will get an angle of 75 degree. Is it clear? Now 120 degree. I think all of you must remember how to construct an angle of 120 degree. One of the easiest angle. First arc from 0 is of 60 degree and second arc is of 120 degree. This is 120. So this is second, this is 0, 60, 120. So when you will pass it from here, this is an angle of 120. This you have drawn 75 degree. Take 3.5 and from arc cut it, you will get T, and this is 3.5. Now same with U. This is E 4 centimeter, and when you will join TE, this you get TR UE is required quadrilateral. Is it clear? RU angle 75, then construction of U of angle 120 degree, cut according to the measurements given, join TE, you will get TRUE as required quadrilateral. So here our exercise 4.4 is finished. Thank you. Have a nice day.